Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's get into how to get loans pre-approved through Bright. Getting pre-approved for a loan with Bright is a smart first step before applying, and it only takes a few steps. First, start by opening the Bright app and logging into your accounts. Then, from the dashboard, tap on Loans and then select Get Pre-approved at the top of the screen. Bright will prompt you to enter some basic financial information. This includes your income, your employment status, and any existing debts. If your profile is already updated, you can simply confirm the details and then continue. Next, choose the type of loan that you're interested in, whether it's a personal loan, auto loan, or home improvement loan. Bright will then run a soft credit check. Don't worry, this won't affect your credit score. Within seconds, you're going to see your pre-approval status, and if you're eligible, Bright will show your estimated loan amount, interest rate range, as well as repayment terms. You can review these terms or choose to move forward with a full application right away. Remember, pre-approval doesn't guarantee final approval, but it's a great way to understand your options. And that's how simple it is to check your loan eligibility in advance. If this guide helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.